Amit Ji shouldn't be on Himanshu's stomach.
7 crore.
Oh my God, Gen Zs, get your dialogues right. So sometimes you know how you wear an outfit just for an hour, like shaam ko just, and then it's not gotten dirty. Then I'll wear it next day also.
Because you're a Miss India, so whatever you say is glamorized. Something here.
चिड़िया बना दूँ इसको?
नहीं, ये नहीं होगा बिल्कुल भी.
No, I'm not wearing that.
अरे लेकिन
for
तो
sure.
अच्छा तो लग
No,
रहा
I'm not wearing that.
इसको तो मेरा कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता बिल्कुल भी.
That my daughter will always spoil a white. The clock You know, my daughter, Shukar, is just 20 months old. She's currently wearing a t-shirt which I have worn literally 3 years ago. But I love my look. I think I'm ready for the airport. So मैं तो चली. Bye.
ये look
Himansh, why are you wearing this shirt? Look at this store. हम कहाँ आए हैं और तू हमें ये क्या है अमित जी की शर्ट पहन के आ गया यार?
सुहानी relevant रहेगा ना ट्रेलर के अंदर. What's the problem with shirt?
Because Amit ji is good on the screen, not on a shirt. Please let him be there.
I just tried my best to connect with the audience so that ट्रेलर के अंदर उनको यही देख के लगेगा ना कि
Himansh,
चल ठीक है. What do you want?
I mean, just wear something better. Look at me. I'm like dressed so nice.
Yeah,
and I'm
because
out
you're a Miss
shopping.
India, so whatever you say is glamorized and everything is accepted. But no, I can do one thing for you, Radha.
अच्छा स्टाइल के बारे में मुझे ज्यादा पता है ना.
हाँ मतलब मुझे पता है कि वो तुझे पता है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता है.
We'll see. हम ये
Okay.
क्लोथ स्टोर में आए ना, यहाँ देखते हैं कि how much you know, how much you don't know. But this
Wait,
is
guys.
definitely not working.
Yeah, again, but
Hi,
Sorry.
Tanisha,
Wait,
help me
guys.
out there. This is not working,
Stop
is it?
fighting.
do you think that this is not right or this is not cool?
It's not right.
We'll get to that. We'll resolve this like adults, okay?
All right.
From the top. Today's guests do not need an introduction, but I'm still gonna give them one. Today, I have someone who has been Bollywood's chocolate boy for years, and the other guest has been a gorgeous, gorgeous figure in the industry who can honestly pull off any outfit effortlessly. Please welcome the gorgeous Sonali A. Sajnani and Himansh Kohli.
Hello. Thank you so much for having
Thank you
us.
so much for that
Wonderful
amazing
introduction.
introduction.
Okay, first of all, you guys look amazing today.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Let's start with Sonali
Not for
first.
you.
That's for Mr. Bachchan
I'm a
here.
girl's gal. Okay.
All right.
So, Sonali, let's start with you. What was the vision behind today's look? Like, did you have an outfit in mind or did you, like, you know, आप पहले से decide करके रखते हो अपने fits? आप बहुत Pinterest coded हो कि like, you know, you have mood boards and all for your
Of
Yeah?
course. पहले से ही डिसाइड करके रखती होगी ये कि आज के दिन ये पहनना है, कल के दिन वो पहनना है, और अगर उसके साथ में कुछ कंप्लीट नहीं होगा तो वो नहीं
I
पहनना
like
है.
that the banter is still on. कि इसका outfit मेरे से better कैसे
कैसे
होगा?
होगा?
But you know, all this was very like. Of course, we have a team who puts the look together, so I'm not going to take away that credit. So they decide everything, and मैं ना अभी after becoming a mom, I don't use too much of my head. I trust my team, but मेरी basic instruction for everything is comfort. Like comfort is prime right now. If you see, I wear flats and you know something I can even dance around in, move around in, and just yeah, those days of uncomfortable. I've never been that. So I think for me that's the main thing, and my stylist does the job. And today's look was fun and young and just happy.
Yeah, you look
Because we're very
stunning,
happy that
honestly.
Aare Bhatka Zero is releasing.
Yes,
So
finally.
it's showing in our colorful
Colourful ways, yeah.
outfits. And this store has so much of color and like youthful energy, which I really resonate with.
Yeah.
Even I like colors popping out here, so I don't know
I
why I just
love
feel
it.
like
We can tell.
I can already
We
spot
can
a
tell
few
he likes
things.
color.
ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए.
मुझे सब चाहिए.
ये सब फ्री में मिलेंगे ना कपड़े हमें? Bag में?
Yes,
हाँ,
of
okay.
course.
डाल लो भाई थोड़े थोड़े bag.
Also, guys, their movie is coming out on 7th of August 2026, Arya Bhatka Zero, and we have to go watch it in cinemas.
the trailers just
Have to go watch
Oh.
the
it.
trailers
Vete.
just released, by the way, so you can go on YouTube or T-Series official YouTube channel, watch the trailer over there, and the film release on 7th. Meanwhile, you can look at us, what we are going to be shopping from here.
Yeah.
so that
Which
the
is
rest
definitely not our character's look in the film, which is very different.
Different from
Yeah,
what we
Mo
do.
and Balgu.
आपकी movie में I saw the trailer. It came out today, no?
Yes.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank
You're
you so
looking
much.
great in the trailer.
Thank you.
I saw that, you know, आपका style is so contrasting. It's completely different, no?
Extremely.
Extremely
I've
different.
never played a role like that, so yeah, very.
And
different.
y'all have also shot together for the first time, or y'all have worked together before?
this is
No,
the first time we've
first time,
shot together.
The
First time.
first,
Yeah.
that's crazy. I have to test your on-screen chemistry.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
so are you guys ready for that? Because I have 2 challenges for y'all, and y'all will have to adhere to it. क्योंकि आज यहाँ पे तो मैं ही बताऊंगी थोड़ा क्या करना है.
Bring it on.
Dan, I love
Bring it
games,
on.
so
Yes.
let's do it.
Yeah, perfect. Today's first challenge is that you both have to style each other for your airport look. I've heard that you all are going to Delhi tomorrow.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's correct.
yeah, for
That's
a
correct.
That's for the movie promotion or the trailer promotion?
For the movie
That's
promotion.
for the
Okay.
film promotion.
Does it happen? Like मुझे नहीं पता industry का कोई knowledge नहीं है मुझे जानना है like I'm very like Bollywood enthu so I want to know that आपके trailer promotions अलग होते हैं movie promotions अलग होते हैं कि it's all the same.
It's one and the same thing. सब जनहित में जारी.
It's like you're promoting the whole
Entire
thing and
movie
then
together,
trailer.
yeah,
So
so-
trailer, look at it like this. Trailer is part of the promotion. The
Yeah,
trailer
yeah.
release day is a promotion itself.
Right.
You're promoting the film by showing the trailer, the teaser, music is a promotion. So it's
So
all
for me, I think it's a countdown. Next 10 days.
yeah, it's
film's gonna be
super
out, so
hectic. So
yes.
comfort is of now comfort is of prime importance.
Yeah, of course. And how is becoming a new mom treating you?
I'm always tired. It's always
Yeah.
hectic. That's why comfort coming back to it, but it's the most beautiful feeling ever.
Yeah.
It's too satisfying.
But you don't look tired at all. You look so fresh and radiant.
Thanks to Vishal who's done my makeup.
Shout out Vishal. Okay, so your first task is that you both have to pick out an outfit for each other. आप दोनों को एक दूसरे के लिए अपना airport look pick out करना है.
अब ये मेरे choose करेगा.
Yes, he's gonna pick out an outfit for you, and you
Please
have
pick
to
up
pick
some
out an
colors for
outfit
me, by
him.
the way. Yeah? Good colors.
All right, not blue.
Not
Or maybe
blue.
blue. I like blue.
I love blue.
Yeah, blue is also my favorite color.
I have a lot of deeper connections with blue. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you know, you know.
Why is that? Blue hai pani pani.
Oh, that is also one of the things, by the way.
Yeah.
Thank you. I just realized that's another
So
one.
what is the other blue?
Scorpions actually tend to be attracted more towards blue.
Oh, because we're a water sign.
Yes, being the water sign. So yeah.
Interesting.
Interesting. Okay, guys, this is going to be a very time restricted task. So you have 5 minutes to pick out an outfit for your co-star.
All
Okay,
right.
let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, are we ready?
Oh
Yes,
yeah.
of course. Why
1,
not?
2, 3, start. We
Okay.
have 5 minutes only.
All right. Okay.
Shorts?
What should I?
Okay, I don't like this pressure so much.
Whoever needs my help,
She likes
I am
denims. I
here.
think should try something here.
चिड़िया बना दूँ इसको.
नहीं ये नहीं होगा बिल्कुल भी.
I know. I don't hate you. I hope you know that.
This looks. But I like the denim here.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, I like that. I like.
You like denim?
Yeah, I
It's
want
like
this
a-
one for my airport look. I
Oh
like
yeah,
it.
this is nice.
I
See?
love denim. Okay, done.
Finally,
Well
I
done.
have. Thank you.
चलो अब इसके लिए
और
भी
मेरे
कुछ
लिए?
ढूंढते हैं. Do you want to do a shirt? Should we do this?
No, again,
Too
then you'll be.
hot.
Yeah,
It's too hot.
It's hot.
Yeah, Delhi में भी गर्मी है.
Okay, wait. I'm
That's
losing my
cauterized
time.
for me, so I think. Oops.
Okay,
This is
found
looking-
it.
This is.
Small. You would be a small or a medium?
2
Oh,
minutes
nice.
are
That's
done,
actually
guys.
looking nice. A medium would be good.
Medium.
Yes, definitely.
You're wasting my time, Himansh.
ये देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए भी कुछ बना के लेके आ
Okay,
रहा
I
हूँ
got
by the
it.
way. तो मुझे लग रहा है
कोई
कि
और
ये
ही आ
क्रॉप
गई
टॉप
है।
के साथ तो ये definitely.
Okay, this
अच्छा
is
जाएगा।
nice. Please tell me this is nice.
Oh,
So
absolutely.
cool,
I love it.
right?
Nirvana.
And you,
Finally.
yeah, these were. See,
Yeah.
good. Okay, now I'm going to choose some
Just tell me,
pants.
help me with one thing. Do you like the color with this denim?
I love it. Now just get some nice, cool pants, something loose.
मैं लेके आता हूँ जल्दी से.
Yeah, okay.
But
you're
इसको
gonna-
अच्छे से please पूरा
Should
pair
we
up कर
twin the
दीजिए.
pants? No.
We can. Let's try.
Pants is that
Tick
side,
tick
I saw.
1. Tick tick 2.
See, hell.
tick three.
Oh!
Tick tick 4.
Wow! No, I'm not wearing that.
अरे
That is
लेकिन
for
वो
sure. No,
अच्छा
no,
तो
no,
लग
I'm
रहा
not
है।
wearing that.
Tick tick
इसको तो मेरा कुछ
7,
समझ ही नहीं आता
tick,
बिल्कुल भी.
8. Tick tick
Like
9.
Okay, I have picked
ये-
it whether you. Oh, no. I can't wear 2 jackets anyway. You have to pick up pants.
ठीक है मैं एक ही
Wait, I'll
जैकेट पे
help
फिक्स
you. I'll
रहूंगा.
Going to Delhi,
Himanshi,
guys.
this blue
Remember.
one I want to wear.
Yes, I
First one.
think. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
this
it's
is
very
actually.
nice.
This is good.
Yes. I like.
I
Do
made
you
this
like
finally.
yours?
Of course. Oh yes, finally.
Oh, I
Okay,
love
your
mine.
time is up.
It's very
in
cool.
Nice.
5, 4, 3,
3,
2,
2, 1, and I'm ready.
Insane. आप लोगों ने before time खत्म कर दिया है. That
Thank
is
you so much.
crazy.
And amazing looks. I really like this.
Yeah,
I think
I
you can actually
actually
wear
find
it.
it very
Style by
Very
Miss
cute.
India.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Show me the jacket.
This is
Super
the
cool.
combination.
Thank
I have
you.
for
I
you.
love it.
I will wear it. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका.
But will you all actually wear it?
Yeah, I don't mind wearing it.
I mean, now I can just wear the jacket.
I really like how she
But-
styled me up for the airport look, so I don't
Yeah,
I
I
don't
love it,
mind
honestly,
actually.
the
It will be
dark
really
grey.
cool. What do you guys think? ये अच्छा लगेगा? Definitely अच्छा लगेगा.
My only thing for the airport with the white is that my daughter will always spoil the white, and she's traveling with me.
Oh, you're traveling with your baby.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
cute.
haven't. I mean, yeah, we are still. How does this look?
This is good.
It
I think
looks
this will go with
stunning.
everything.
Yeah, it goes with this as well. Very well.
Can I go to the mirror?
Yeah.
Does it make sense? Are you guys following me, or is it a futile exercise? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice, right?
Bro, this is nice.
I think मैं अभी flight लेने चली जाती हूँ. This is quite nice. Okay.
Love it,
But
guys.
I love my look. I think I'm ready for the airport. So मैं तो चली.
ये look-
Bye.
अभी कहीं नहीं जाना है आपको.
Bye.
अभी एक और segment बचा है हमारा.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you ready for round 2? Okay, so
Yes.
round 2 is a very fun task. Now, if you could go back in time and style your younger self for college,
No.
what
Nostalgia.
outfit would you pick for your younger
She
self?
would save so much time because someone will be there to style her and not wasting time every morning picking कि ये पहनूं, ये पहनूं, ये पहनूं.
College was, I think, very careless and very free, for
Yeah.
me, that I could wear anything. But I still liked a lot of graphics at that time.
Yeah.
A lot of anime characters or
Yeah.
cartoon characters. Yeah.
Me too.
So, were you always into like streetwear fashion growing up? Or-
Definitely, yes. I tried. I was
Oh.
experimenting a lot during my college as
You
well.
know, I was very curious to know and ask you whether you have always, since men's fashion is actually like really becoming prevalent in India and across globally actually. So, are you someone who has just recently developed a flair for fashion, or have you always?
It's a myth that, for especially for men, it's always a classic, like a white shirt or a blue
Yeah.
denim. But we do like to try
Yeah, I
different
think it's
stuff,
so
yeah.
passe. Like, I think there's so much for men also to experiment
Definitely.
if you want to.
Actually, yes.
Yeah. And your style is amazing. We've already.
I was always into fashion. I love fashion even growing up. In fact, I appeared for NIFT exams. I gave, not many people know I wanted to be a fashion designer. I got through also. But I came at a point where it had to be the Miss India or NIFT.
Yeah.
So I went for Miss India because NIFT में पढ़ाई बहुत होती है ना, and I didn't have time. I was like जल्दी आ जाओ.
Now we know from where is it coming.
Yeah,
And
so I
since
always
when has it been
I used to
going on?
stitch my own clothes, you know that.
Oh,
I had a proper
wow.
silai machine,
Yeah.
and I used to like get fabrics. I used to cut them and stitch. I used to make skirts, drawstring skirts at that point.
That is
and,
so
and we're talking
cute.
like 15 years.
They used to make you do all of this in NIFT.
No, at home I used to do it when I was like 10 years old, even like 12, 13 years old, maybe younger.
Isn't NIFT in Delhi, by the way?
There is everywhere, but I went for the exams later. But I'm saying even before that, I used to like stitch my own clothes. Then I had a tailor who I used to call and give orders, and I had mini exhibitions. Yeah, and I used to do mini exhibitions of 20 garments.
That is
I used to make good.
amazing.
Yeah, I've done a lot of like. I used to love fashion and clothes.
Talent ही talent बह रहा है देखो आप
Like even now, I love
That is so
styling my
inspiring.
outfit. I'm not
Yeah.
entirely dependent on style. Yeah, like I have a strong, like even today, if you tell me to just come for an event without a stylist, I will put my look together.
Yeah, you look very put together like that. You
I
come
don't know
across
about that. If I look put together, but I have fun with style, which I see a lot of young kids doing now. Like I love your look, right? It's a bit sporty, a bit of gold. So it's just a mix of everything.
Yeah,
That's all.
Even
Because you
I,
like
whenever I am also picking out an outfit, I just eyeball it. Like it's according to my vibe. मैं खोलती हूँ अपना
Yeah.
cupboard. I'm just like, what's
Today
the
I
mood
feel
today?
this.
Yeah.
It's very like
Yeah.
what I feel. Today I feel very organic cotton kurta. Today I feel very sporty. It's something like that.
I think हम लोग शायद अपनी next look ready करने वाले थे
हाँ,
क्योंकि
okay.
दो
Two
लड़कियां
girls when they
बातें
start
तो कभी
talking
खत्म
fashion.
होंगी नहीं.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go. So
Okay.
yeah.
So our next segment is that you guys have to style your younger selves. आप अपने younger selves के लिए क्या look pick out करोगे as per your current style?
I know. Okay, should we go? Is this time based?
Let's do that.
This is also time based. Come on.
Okay, run.
Let's go.
Because आपको जाना है अपने launch के लिए.
Harry Potter, everyone's favorite during school days and college days. So I really was a Harry Potter fan. I'm still a Harry Potter fan. I don't know why, but I love Harry Potter. And even Naruto. Wow. They have a classic collection here. This reminds me of, again, this brings a lot of nostalgia. But I think I like to go with something which brings a lot of adrenaline. And the graphics are sick here. Nice. Yeah. And I remember riding a bike from my college. So this kind of, represents almost everything what I would require, especially during my college days. So, but I have to pair it up with something which would be a denim, maybe. Yeah, I think this could be a good combination. What do you guys think? Is this a good combination? I kind of like this. It has that very school college days wala thing, and it has that funk and X factor. I would probably add some accessories to the same so that it looks more interesting.
So when we were doing the round, I saw these,
Yeah.
and that time I thought कि मैं इस segment के लिए आऊँगी. I love this.
That's a very good color.
I love red. I mean, younger self would have loved it even more. Now I'm more of like whites, but I know when I was younger, I loved bright colors and just strange combinations. And I love this jacket. Oh,
that will
so
go.
cool. And I'm also, I'm such a method actor. I'm also choosing sizes which I would have fit then. So extra small, extra small. अभी तो ये मुझे दोनों ही नहीं fit आएंगे.
नहीं, I'm sure आ जाएगा.
आ जाएंगे.
Definitely.
So cool, right? The Bugs
that
Bunny.
actually looks
and-
really cool.
I know.
It's going
Love
very
it.
well.
Should we get some bottoms? Bottoms, I'm a bit.
So I wanted to ask you one thing. Right now, if I were to come to your house and open your wardrobe, तो मुझे आपके wardrobe में क्या color palette ज़्यादा देखने मिलेगा?
A lot of whites. A lot of whites and a lot of blacks. Blacks is strategic because इतने गंदे शुक्र कर देती है कपड़े. So many times I just pick dark colors just because of ease and comfort. But I love whites. White, cottons, neutrals, beige. So when Himansh was saying that he's a water sign and he's drawn to blue, and I was thinking, I'm an earth sign. So I am drawn to earthy tones.
Are you an earth sign?
Yeah, what are you?
Wow, What's your zodiac?
Taurus.
Oh, that's crazy. I'm a Virgo.
Oh, yeah, I get along with them.
Yeah, same.
So earth sign. So I'm just drawn to like beige,
Neutral tones.
neutral tones.
Yeah.
And good for us, they're very in right now. So
Yeah.
monochrome, beige. But a younger me would not like earth tones, that's for sure. I
Yeah.
got how much we change over the years. So this section looks very bright.
Yeah.
Some sneakers or they're definitely sneakers. At that time, Vans, and there were 2-3 more brands. Converse was also one of the famous ones. Adidas and Nike. So I think sneakers तो लड़कों के 3-4 fixed होते हैं और उसके साथ में सारे outfits चलते रहते हैं. So I am locked with my college days वाला look. And I hope I look like a revisit college nostalgia look for me. So yes, this is it. देखते हैं उसने क्या ready किया.
What would pair up with this bottom में?
This, right? I
Really?
would. Trust me, the younger me would love it. Like
Okay.
so much color.
Yeah, that would be like a
You know,
pop-off
like
color.
a blue and a red is an eternal classic
is,
combination.
it is,
You can either do a
definitely.
white or this.
Isn't there a stopwatch here? Because I think I'm ready. I'm set.
Oh,
I'm done.
Mr. Competition is
Yeah,
come.
of
I
course.
like
मैं
your
थोड़ा biased हूँ girls की तरफ.
Of course.
और earth science की तरफ अब.
Yes.
But yeah, my look is done. I think my younger me would totally
Bugs
love
Bunny.
it.
Oh, that
And then I
that's a
grew up
nice
in
jacket.
Calcutta. वहाँ ठंड भी होती थी winters में, so this jacket would come in handy.
Oh wow.
What is
So
it?
Crazy.
this is the denim I have. It looks nice,
Yeah,
and I
it's
like.
so college.
I remember riding bikes during my college days, so this
Yeah.
has that adrenaline
Yeah.
thing for me.
This is so cool.
This is so cool.
Yeah, so
This
this
is
gives
actually
you
very
a
cool.
lot of
Yeah, the dual
Colours
features that
again.
I love.
which I love the most.
I love it.
And you must be thinking again, ये blue कहीं से कहाँ लेके
Blue
आ
is
जाता
not
है.
the problem. It's
It's eternal.
It's where Amit ji shouldn't be on
Yeah.
Himansh's stomach.
Khamosh is
Khamosh.
that was Mr. Shatrughan Sinha.
7 crore.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
Gen Zs, get your dialogues right.
Yay!
It's really nice.
This goes well.
Good job.
Thank you so much. Learning from you.
For a shit.
How would you guys rate each other's outfits.
I think he's done a good job. I would say 10 on 10.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
But I genuinely like her outfit here, and especially with the jacket and the color combination, which she always does exceptional.
But did you
every time.
notice that she picked out a blue bottom along with red and
She
black?
can carry anything. I'm
Yeah,
telling you,
I
she can
am
really
sure
carry.
she can.
Yes,
She's a
of
diva.
course, yeah. And I can without a doubt say that this again deserves a 10 on 10 for
Yeah.
all the colors here, because you know, since
And it's blue.
yeah, of course, so that's
Blue
why
hai pani.
pani.
Wow, I'm sure they have great on-screen chemistry then, dude.
Thank
like
you.
imagine you guys have so much of banter aapas mein hi. I'm sure you must have had so much of fun on the sets as well, right?
Yeah,
course,
you're
of
lot
course,
of fun,
yes.
and we're having so much fun promoting it. And because I really feel, and we really feel, and this also includes the director, that we really made a good product. And अगर मैं film में नहीं भी होती, then also I would be like, oh guys, just go watch this film. It's fun, it's youthful. You'll really connect to Bagu's character, also Rinku's, but Bagu's. And yeah, do you want to say something?
I think what I would like to add here is that this is in the movie, if you see our characters, we've experimented, we tried something different, something new. But one most beautiful thing which I like is that everyone's so effortless. When I see the trailer, it doesn't really feel like that it's an acting going over there. So I'm happy with the fact that जितना हम लोग सेट पे एंजॉय कर रहे थे उतना ही हम अभी भी कर रहे हैं एंड आई होप इट कन्वर्ट्स टू यू एज वेल कि आप लोग भी उसे देख के उतना एंजॉय करें सो
Go watch our film.
Yes.
Arabhatta Zero releasing on 7th of August.
Okay, guys, I still want to know so much about your fashion preferences.
अभी हम घर नहीं जा रहे हैं.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है
नहीं, मैं आप लोग को बहुत जल्दी भेज दूंगी.
No, we're having too much fun, so bring it on.
are you?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So I'm gonna take you all there, that side. We'll sit down and let's just have like a quick rapid fire round that I've named it Clock It or Block It. Yeah, it's like a very Gen Z.
It's a dance step.
Yeah.
I'll need to practice it.
Clock
Okay.
it.
Clock It.
Block it.
Don't you know these Gen Zs these days?
You gotta
they-
teach
they're
us
like, Clock It.
these new ones, yeah.
It's with one finger, right?
Yeah, Clock It.
So I have to do this hit more. So clock it
Clock
or
it.
block it.
Or Block
Okay.
It. Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
So let's head for that.
All right, let's go.
Okay, the first one. Skinny jeans.
Block it.
Oh, sorry, I meant block it. In my head. In my head, I went this, and I was like,
She was
that's
like,
a minimum face also.
But
Okay.
skinny jeans abhi wapas bhi aa raha hai fashion.
It's coming back. I saw it a lot.
मतलब
यही ठीक है. Okay, cargos.
Yeah.
I meant
Clock
this
it.
one. Clock it.
Animal prints.
I'm on the
yeah.
fence about
Yeah.
it. It depends.
Depends
Right?
exactly. So I
Block it.
block it.
for now.
Okay.
Yeah, solid.
Sequins in daylight.
Sequence.
Actually, my husband will hate me for it, but
Clock it.
yeah, if you style it with like something nude or subdued, looks so cool.
Or like just like a white tank top and a sequin skirt or
Yeah, it
something
looks
like that.
great.
Yeah, it would give very Ibiza vibes.
Yeah.
For me,
What about you? Block it?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Leather jackets.
block it. Of
Love.
course. Double
Faux
block it.
leather, but faux leather.
Yeah,
I don't
faux
do
leather.
that.
Yeah, totally. We don't support animal cruelty at all. Tiny sunglasses.
Clock it.
Love it.
I lost some.
Yeah, my favorite ones are currently from Miu Miu. So tiny, gold, so nice.
Yeah.
Love it.
Crazy.
Clocking it. Is that a word? I mean, is that how
Yeah,
can use
We can
it?
pick this up.
Clocking
Clocking
it.
it now.
Yes. Have you posted pictures in those glasses on
I
Instagram?
have actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, my
Check
last
them
few. I
out.
think when I get obsessed with something, then it's only that. So my last few
all over
pictures
your
are,
feed.
oh yeah, it is. It is.
Okay. Baggy outfits.
Clock it.
Clock, keep clocking.
Double clock.
Love.
Denim on denim.
Clock it.
Clock. Yeah.
Twinning with your partner.
Clock it.
Clock.
Twinning with your co-star.
Clock it.
Clock. I'm not wearing this one.
Of course, I know.
And you're not wearing this either. But yeah.
You wouldn't wear that.
He's getting offended now, please.
Oh, no. Because I respect him so much. I feel like he should be just on the big screen.
Yeah, but he's not
But
running
I
on.
get your emotion. I won't make fun anymore.
Thank you, Sonali.
I will.
Okay, guys.
In the car.
Neon colored outfits.
Clock it.
Love.
Socks with sliders.
Clock it.
Clock it.
Yeah.
Yes. Matching tattoos.
Tattoos. I don't
Clock
have
for people who do it. I'm not a tattoo person.
Block it.
Oh, you
I don't like
are?
that.
Yes.
Yeah,
Same. I learned more about you.
Shit, guys.
Oh no, I mean my husband, हमारी बेटी का नाम है. He has a tattoo.
Even my wife has a
Yeah.
tattoo.
Yeah, and we got our name. Like he got, I mean, a trivia, totally you didn't ask for it, but he has Shukar's name here tattooed 6 years before she was even born, and we had no idea that time.
So you kind of manifested the name.
Yeah,
for
yeah,
you.
yeah, totally.
That's beautiful. Okay. Outfit repeating.
Clock it.
Clock.
Totally.
I love repeating my outfits. I don't know why.
sometimes, yeah.
I'm so obsessed with few of my outfits that
Yeah,
I keep
keep
repeating
wearing
it till the time it's completely.
Wait,
I had to do another thing which some people might find it dirty, but I think it's being very like mindful about water and wastage. So sometimes, you know how you wear an outfit just for an hour, like sham ko just, and then it's not gotten dirty. Then I'll wear it next day also. Because why will I put it for wash? And people are like, oh, you wore it yesterday. I was like, yeah, so I like it.
मेरे साथ पता क्या
It's
होता
not
है?
dirty.
When I'm done with one of my outfits, then I'll keep it in my trunk or maybe in a almirah where it's gonna be for an year and a half.
And then repeat.
And maybe, you know, after 2 years, and I've tried this a couple of times, that you wear the same outfit again,
And then it looks
and it's back in fashion again, and you probably
Yeah.
get the same feel of
Correct,
it. So
correct.
I've started, you know, pairing up all my Purana outfits, and
Yeah,
it comes out nice.
why not?
Yeah. You know, one fun fact about me, my friends call me a kabadi wala. They say that तुम पक्का पिछले लाइफ में पास्ट लाइफ में पक्का कबाड़ी वाली होगी या कुछ तो you know like that
You-
because I even hoard clothes from my childhood कि जो मेरे बचपन में भी जो
Memories.
कपड़े थे memories or maybe I don't know for some reason I'm like okay you know this is too good to let go of कि maybe future में I could show you know flex in front of my future generations like my daughter and I would be like your mom was a diva you know
I used to wear this.
Yeah.
A Rouge jersey.
yeah and
Yeah, why
now
not?
I even wear my बचपन के clothes like my teenage years के clothes वापस repurpose करके because वो पूरा fashion दोबारा repeat होके वापस आ
You
गया
know, my daughter, Shukar, is just 20 months old. She's currently wearing a t-shirt which I have worn literally 3 years ago.
that is
Maybe I should
crazy.
post that. I have a picture of me doing a handstand in it, and my husband didn't believe it. I told Ashish, you know, this might be like, no way. I said, he's like, your bachpan kya? I said, no, I wore it 3 years ago, and because it's oversized for her now, and I used to wear that you know, really crop,
yeah,
skinny
crop, yeah.
H&M top. So one
Yeah.
of those, and like,
so
it's
cool.
so nice.
That is
You should
actually so cool.
totally keep them
yeah I will
for your daughter, future daughter.
yeah I totally will one last question clock it or block it ka wearing pajamas outside your house
Clock it.
clock it
I love
आज को तो पता ही नहीं चलता है
It's
ये
easier.
quad set है या pajama set है.
Yeah,
Like there are many
yeah.
quad sets of mine which my mom's like, it's like a pajama set. I said it's meant to look like that, but it's whatever you want to call it.
I think
There
you'll
are so
find
many
up
times.
most of the men wearing pajamas when they step out.
Yeah.
Slippers and pajamas, they're so comfortable wearing a vest or a
Love it.
ganji or, you know.
and these days the boxers are also back into fashion where
Yeah.
people wear boxers as a part of
Yeah,
like,
that I didn't know.
boxers are an outfit like totally
Really?
yeah
Oh wow.
even like those bottoms have come out where like there's a
I know
boxer
boxers,
ka
girls wearing the
Yeah,
boxers, right, with shirts. Yeah, that is that.
I have
my
these
niece
one
does that.
bottoms where there's a boxer का starting का ऊपर का part यहाँ and नीचे से normal आपके
Oh, it's
sweats
so
हैं.
cool.
I'd like to try
That is
that.
pretty cool. Yeah.
I can say that. That was a fun rapid fire.
That was a very fun rapid fire round, Tanisha.
Thank you. It was so nice having you guys here.
Yeah,
Thank you so
for
much.
Thank you so much for
Guys,
having us.
7th August in cinemas.
भूलना नहीं है बग्गू और रिंकू आ रहे हैं सिनेमा करो में.
See you guys.
See you.
Hey guys, this is Himansh Kohli.
Hi, I'm Sonali, and you guys are watching us on Pinkpula Lifestyle Plus.